Imagine waking up tomorrow with $500,000 in your bank account. No job, no side hustle, no boss breathing down your neck. Just $500,000 and the freedom to do absolutely nothing else. Sounds impossible. It's not, in fact. With the right mindset and strategy, $500,000 can buy you a lifetime of freedom, but most people never realize it because they're stuck chasing millions while ignoring what enough really means. Let's break it down. First, let's be clear. We're not talking about blowing through this money in a few years. We're talking about living off it sustainably. That means turning this lump sum into a stream of income that supports your lifestyle indefinitely. So how do you do that? Let's say you invest that $500,000 into a diversified portfolio. Stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate. A conservative annual return of 6% gives you $30,000 per year. That's $2,500 per month, without touching the principal. Now pause. Can you live on $2,500 a month? If you're in a high-cost city, maybe not. But if you're smart about location, lifestyle, and expenses, you absolutely can. And here's the kicker. That $500,000 can keep growing. If you reinvest a portion of your returns, your income increases over time. Thanks to compound interest, even a modest reinvestment of $5,000 annually could boost your portfolio to over $600,000 in a decade without additional contributions. This is the power of passive income. Your money works, you don't. And the best part? You're not draining your savings, you're living off the returns. Let's look at a few ways to structure this. Dividend-paying stocks. Companies that pay you just for holding their shares. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or ETFs like VYM. REITs, real estate investment trusts that generate rental income without the hassle of being a landlord. Treasury bonds or index funds. Low-risk options with steady returns and minimal management. You can even mix in peer-to-peer lending, covered call ETFs, or even municipal bonds for tax advantages. The key is diversification and consistency. Now let's talk lifestyle. What does doing nothing really mean? It doesn't mean being lazy. It means freedom. Freedom to travel, create, learn, or simply exist without financial pressure. You could live in places like Thailand. Rent a beachfront apartment for $400 a month. Portugal, enjoy European charm with low living costs. Mexico, great food, culture, and affordable healthcare. Morocco, vibrant cities and desert escapes on a budget. This is called geo-arbitrage. Earning in dollars, spending in cheaper currencies. It's how digital nomads and early retirees stretch their money further. You're not escaping work, you're escaping forced labor. You can still create, build, or explore on your own terms. And here's the twist. Many people who reach financial independence don't stop working. They just stop doing work they hate. They write books, start passion projects, or volunteer. Because when money isn't the motivator, purpose becomes the driver. But let's be real. There are risks. Inflation eats away at purchasing power. If your returns don't outpace inflation, your lifestyle shrinks over time. Market volatility can shake your portfolio. A bad year could mean lower income or panic selling. Unexpected expenses like medical bills or emergencies can derail your plan. That's why mindset matters. You need to think like a minimalist investor, not a reckless spender, and you need a buffer. Emergency fund, health insurance, a plan B, and don't forget taxes. Depending on where you live, your investment income might be taxed. So factor that in when calculating your monthly budget. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail financially because they lack money. They fail because they lack clarity. They chase more without asking what enough looks like. $500,000 might not sound like a fortune. But if it buys you time, freedom, and peace of mind, isn't that the real wealth? This is called the FIRE mindset. Financial independence, retire early. It's not about quitting life, it's about designing life. And here's the irony. Once you stop chasing money, you often find more of it. Because your decisions become intentional, not reactive. You stop buying things to impress people. You stop trading time for status. You start living. Here's how to actually make this dream a reality. Step 1. Build the $500,000. This might take years, but it's doable. Cut expenses, increase income, invest aggressively, use tools like Yastaden's budgeting apps, robo-advisors, high-yield savings accounts, and tax-advantaged accounts. Step 2. Choose the right investment strategy. Don't chase crypto hype or meme stocks. Go for long-term stability. Negative 60-40 portfolio, stocks, bonds. Dividend growth strategy, global diversification. Step 3. Design your lifestyle around your income. Geo arbitrage is your friend. Live where your money stretches further. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Embrace minimalism. Step 4. Reinvest and adjust annually. Review your portfolio, rebalance. Stay informed, use dollar-cost averaging, and avoid emotional investing. Step 5. Protect your downside insurance. Emergency funds, low-cost healthcare options. Consider part-time remote work or freelancing as a safety net. Step 6. Track your spending. Use apps like Pocket Guard or Monarch to monitor cash flow. Know your burn rate and adjust if needed. Step 7. Build optional income streams. Even if you don't need to work, having a small income stream like a blog, YouTube channel, or online course can add flexibility and security. Let's look at real people who've done this. Sarah, 34, quit her job after saving $520,000. She lives in Chiang Mai, teaches yoga part-time, and earns $2,000 per month from dividends. Luis, 41, invested in REITs and bonds. He lives in Lisbon, Portugal, and spends his time writing and volunteering. Amina, 29, built her portfolio through index funds. She lives in Morocco, runs a blog, and lives off $2,300 a month. They're not rich by Wall Street standards, but they're free, and that's priceless. $500,000 isn't just a number. It's a gateway to freedom, to time, to life on your terms. You don't need millions to escape the rat race. You just need strategy, discipline, and the courage to live differently. So ask yourself, are you chasing more or chasing enough? Because sometimes enough is everything. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe. We're here to demystify wealth and help you build a life that's rich in freedom, not just money.